basically you are trying to go to the right hand side on that roundabout without a right signal. That's why you can be marked down. It doesn't matter if you want to go right hand side, for example, but give a signal and go on the right hand side. It doesn't affect anyone. So in the exam, this is what everyone has to think of, that not following the correct sign or not going in the correct road is not a failure. But the problem is, if you go on the, like if I ask you to turn left and if you're turning right or without a signal or a wrong signal, then they will mark you down on that. On this mini roundabout, going straight ahead again. So as I said, check the right and straight ahead. So you did manage the car to swerve around the roundabout, but sometime in this type of tricky mini roundabouts, if you go a little over on these white painted rounds, it's okay. It's okay, yeah, it's not an issue. Okay, now on this signboard, we want to follow the sign for South Harrow. Where is it?
Right.
Yes, that's right. So it's a roundabout, turn right. So look at the zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. Okay. If you see anybody is coming towards the zebra crossing, and if you think that you both are going to meet at the same time, then you have to stop. Because zebra crossing, we don't have a priority.
This is my right. This one.
Yes. Third exit on the right. Following the sign for South Harrow, right? So I can see the junction, and I can see a little bit of board sign there as well. Yes, there is one. Yes. So I will start looking from the bottom to see where the South Harrow is.
South Harrow H straight.
No, it's a right.
Right.
So I will stick to the right lane now. Even if I don't do signal, it's okay because it's a right turn only, so it's okay. And whilst you're waiting here to see where is my right turn, so you need to look at on the direction of your turn. And if you see there is a signboard on the floor, I mean on the side as well. There you go, something like this. Okay. So this one, yeah. So this signboard tells you that where you're supposed to be on your turn. So when you're doing the turn, you need to be on the left side anyway. But if you don't know where exactly your turn is, let's go.
I have to go to the right, no?
Yes. Keep going. Come on, faster. Let's go. Yeah, that's the right turn. Yeah. And this red light is not yours. If this light is red, then only you need to stop. Okay. The first one is not yours. Because it's there on the other side. Okay, now we're gonna follow the sign for Superstore.
Superstore.
Yes. Come on, tell me. It's on the right hand side, third exit. Okay, right hand side, third exit. So signal and check if it's clear.
First.
Slow down. Yeah. That's the third, okay?
Sorry.
Yeah. So the first is going on the flats on the other side, okay? Second is going straight, and third is coming here. And we're turning right again on this one. It says Superstore here as well, see? And you follow this one-way channel. Just pull over here just for a minute, just ahead, little ahead, where this number 5 speed limit is written. Just pull over there. Here, that should be fine. On that roundabout, when I said follow the sign for Superstore, Did you see the superstore sign up in the verdicts, the written verdicts? Or you didn't see that?
No, it was written.
It was written. And where it was written? On the right side, left side, right side. So something is written on the right side, then how can we expect to go around the roundabout and come back? Because you counted the first exit, which is the straight ahead one, isn't it? So that's what the wrong calculation was. But I'm just saying in general that if I see anything written on the right side, then I can see only 3 arrows as well on the roundabout sign as well. So that must be on the completely right hand side angle. Okay, not like going around and coming back to the road where you're coming from. Sometimes you can have a forward exit on the roundabout, but then you will have a count as well. So always whenever the junction is coming, try to read this board as early as possible, and then pay attention on the junction as well, that how many exits are really designed on that one, and how you're gonna supposed to count them. That will be easiest way to do it. Okay, because once you're in the roundabout, then you get confused and then you don't know where to turn and go. Okay? Anyway, let's go. So they will bring you in this car park to do the parking exercise, either forward parking or a reverse parking. They will tell you which one they wanted to do, but today we're going to do both of them. So keep driving in a straight line, and at the end of the road turn right. So at the end, turn right. And we take the second road on the right. So this is the first one, and then the second one. And if you can show me how you can do the forward bay parking, please. Forward bay parking. You can pick and choose choice of your own bay, right or the left. And show me how you can do the forward bay parking. Try to finish the parking within the marked bay. Try not to touch any bike lines, please. Now, for example, right now the entire car park is empty. So you're choosing these initial bays, right? In the daytime where the exam is going on around 11 o'clock, so the front parking, these ones are always going to be full. So after this trolley rail, the trolley parking area, there will be empty bay there. Okay, so we can choose the empty area as possible. That's what I'm trying to say. So you can do it here right now if you want to, but yeah, so you can go there as well if you want. And for the forward path, we want our car all the way to the left hand side, all the way, as much as you can come on the left side, but don't try to just go on this marked way on your left. Okay.
So I will park in this one.
No problem.
Indicator should be?
Yes, if there is someone behind you, then you must indicate as well to let them know what we are doing. And over the right shoulder observation must be needed. So you're allowed to open your own window and lean down and check what's happening down there. Perfect. Done.
Done, no?
Yep. So now if we may reverse on the from this bay and take us out of the car park. So that's what they're going to do. So they're going to tell you that reverse from this bay and take us out of this car park. So you must remember that this was a one-way street. Sorry, the one-way channel.
To go to this way.
Yeah, so we must face our car on the left-hand side rather than the right-hand side. So the moment you turn left, then they will grab the wheel and they'll say, "Sorry, sir, this is a one-way channel. We can't face on the right-hand side." So ideally, you fail the test. So here they're checking that how is your response to the road markings as well. Okay. So some examiner they do this way. Some examiner they will say, "I would like you to reverse on the right so that we can go on the left." So that's easy. Okay.
That's easy.
Yeah, but we still have to